Hi, and welcome to our brand new listing at number 290 Corfield Street. This is an amazing townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 1 on the main level, which is great. If you don't want to use the stairs, you don't have to. You can save it for guests. This home is beautifully decorated, very well maintained, and updated. You're going to love there's a garage plus an extra parking spot, and this is close to everything in Parksville. Walk to the beach, to shops, to restaurants. Come on in, have a look around.